paintbrush in red. Paints a big A overhead. Paint splash, colors everywhere. Letters dancing in the air. A to Z, come paint with me. In the forest, happy as can be. Benny finds the letter B. Paints it blue for all to see. Ellie grabs the yellow pot. Paints a C, she paints a lot. Fifi swirls the letter D. Green and bright like forest tree. Zebra paints an E so pink. Washes brush in water sink. Paint splash, colors everywhere. Letters dancing in the air. A to Z, come paint with me. In the forest, happy as can be. Parrot sings the letter F. Orange like the sunset's breath. One by one we paint each line, making forest letters shine. All the animals side by side, from A to Z, our colors glide. When we're done we laugh and cheer. Our ABCs are bright this year. Paint splash, colors everywhere. Letters dance